got Scorpion units making their way towards this channel to meet us. Tactics and any other instructions, please. Unit just pulling into Ernest Street, that's him ahead of you.
40 cams, target spy, please.
Right, we've got tactical contact, one detained, one runner. Male running eastbound Ernest Street on foot. Officers giving chase. Got a motorcycle unit just pulling up ahead of him, stand by. Still running, we've got units on the Bow Road, he's going to come out through the grass on the Bow Road. I think he's been pinned by the Solo. And one more unit just pulling up to help, that's good, thanks for that guys.